Walk through this AI tool that takes your long videos and transforms them into a steady, manageable stream of short, ready-to-post clips, which is exactly what we all need in 2024. I tested the free plan head-to-head, and I'm going to compare it directly against Opus Clips so you can clearly see which one makes the most sense if you're just getting started with content repurposing right now. We're diving right into Vizard to see how it actually performs in the real world by importing a long interview from a buddy's channel that was roughly an hour long. The interface immediately asks if you want to import from YouTube or upload a file, and it instantly tells you your free allotment in minutes, so you know exactly what you have to play with up front. On the free plan I was using, Vizard actually gave me a really decent chunk of minutes to test drive the entire process, which is already a great touch for creators hesitant about spending cash immediately. So I hit create project and Vizard starts doing its thing while it analyzes the audio, detects all the speakers, reads the transcript, and identifies those potential viral moments in the background. It took less time than I expected, maybe 10 to 15 minutes for a full hour, and then it spat out this grid of suggested shorts, each with a little virality score and a thumbnail that you can quickly look over. That scoring isn't perfect, but it gives you a super quick way to triage and decide which clips might actually perform well across TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts for maximum reach. One of the first things I immediately liked about Vizard is how brilliantly it handles the caption generation, offering multiple styles you can toggle between like bold, minimal, or high contrast. It's smart enough to make the text truly pop against any background. So if you're wearing blue or have a busy visual, you can switch to yellow on black or white on dark to fit your brand. This feature alone saves a ton of manual editing time because, as we all know, professional looking captions are absolutely non-negotiable for engagement on short form platforms today. Vizard also perfectly nails speaker detection, labeling who is talking and segmenting the transcript, which makes it lightning fast to pull specific quotes from a dense interview or podcast. This is where the auto-editing viral clips feature shines. It doesn't just chop randomly, it smartly prioritizes moments where emotion spikes, laughter happens, or a strong opinion lands, the stuff that travels best. Editing inside Vizard is pleasantly simple with a clear timeline that includes the clip, captions, and options for overlays or a progress bar that is all drag and drop friendly. The free version did leave a few of those pesky ums and ahs in some clips, so not perfect, but you can manually trim those out in just a few seconds if you really need to clean it up. Now, a huge feature for scaling is Vizard's content calendar and auto schedule, allowing you to bulk schedule posts directly from the platform after the clips are generated. You tell it how often you want content posted, and it will queue clips across all your connected socials, which is a massive time saver for consistent output without constant babysitting. Professional branding kits and templates are fully baked in too, letting you add your logo, set your caption defaults, and create a standard 2 to 4 second branded bumper that increases recognition. The integrated media library lets you pull in stock B-roll, images, and audio directly from inside the app, which is useful for sprinkling visuals into static podcast clips to keep viewers engaged. The free tier is generous for trying things out, while the paid plans unlock more minutes, team seats, higher quality exports, and the advanced scheduling features become truly useful for a VA. Opus Clips is really strong when you pay for it, often generating a wider variety of highly stylized clip variations and recommending more B-roll out of the box for a polished feel. The catch is, Opus's free tier is much tighter on minutes, and we ran into a frustrating problem where clips disappeared or became unexportable after a few days unless we immediately paid up. Vizard's free plan felt much more generous with minutes and was significantly more straightforward with both editing and scheduling accessible immediately within the free workflow. If you want a set it and forget it pipeline to consistently repurpose long-form content into short clips across all platforms without juggling 5 different apps, Vizard's integrated scheduling is the clear winner here. Try both for free to see which UI clicks, but if you want a single recommendation for creators who want to scale consistency and save time, start with Vizard and let the auto schedule handle the heavy lifting for your next episode.